by a majority of 8, comprising Justice Sayyid Mansoor Ali Shah, Uni Bakhtar, Muhammad Ali Mazhar, Aisha Malik, Atar Minillah, Sayyid Hassan Ali Rizvi, Shahid Waheed, and Irfan Saadat Khan JJs. The instant appeals are decided in terms of the short order of the majority of even date, and the other petitions, including leave petitions and CMAs, are decided accordingly. There are a number of orders, so I will let the senior person heading that particular order to read the entire order or whatever he wants to read therefrom. Shah Sahab, you
have a copy.
Is this original? जी मेरे पास तो नहीं है, मेरे पास
ओरिजिनल मैंने आपको दी थी.